This is our unofficial guide to Big Laurel Falls. He actually positively refuses to get out of the road. He keeps crossing in front of us. If we try to pass him, he gets in front of us and slows down. So he's telling us which way to go. As you can tell, he is not letting us pass him. We've been following him for approximately a third of a mile, and I think we'll be following him for approximately another half a mile. Somebody's got a hunting dog that is doing his job with us today. Oh, we are passing the dog. Goodbye, dog.
All right, we made our stop where we parked to start the walk on the trail. We are going to go on the Laurel Falls trail. And we're going to walk down. Okay. We have made the walk down the trail along this creek. And now what we have to do cut across. I don't think it is. And we have a dog that's now following us. That if we get stuck out here, we will send a note. We will tie a note on her. Either that or we'll eat her. Okay, now we are going to go across the bridge. Okay, so we have finally made it to the end of the trail. It was a half-mile walk. The trail was wet and snowy. Well, we stopped several times to take pictures and stuff, so it really wouldn't take you that long to walk it if you didn't stop. We are here. This is called Laurel Falls. Beautiful. There's a little swimming lagoon down there.